Hi everyone. So there's another problem that I thought is worth discussing here. It's one of those problems where something increases by a factor of increases or decreases by a factor of something, and you're supposed to tell what happens to one of variables on the right hand side, right? So the example that I'm going to do is about the volume of a sphere. So if the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3, the case volume is decreased by a factor of 27. What happens to the radius? What happens to the radius? Now, in order to do this problem, if I couldn't try plugging in numbers and see if it doesn't make sense to you. Well, that I think is not the right approach to go about with it. Like, I can't be thinking about some numbers to plug in and to make sure what happens to my radius increased by a factor of 27. So I explained that here. Okay, so the new volume is the original volume divided by 27. And let's call my r prime the new radius. So whatever radius, right? Now volume over 27, this is the new volume. This will change my radius to something. So I'm gonna call, like I said, I've already called it r prime as my new radius. So this, I take the 1 over 27 out, I'm left with v here, and I'll keep this as it is. Now prime 4 by 3 pi r prime cubed. Okay, now I can cancel 4 over 3, I can cancel 4 over 3 here, I can cancel pi, I can cancel pi here. I'm left with 1 over 27 r cubed equals r prime cubed. Now 1 over 27 equals r prime cubed, right? So here's my relationship then. The new radius is decreased by a factor. This is like high school stuff, not even, but I mean, yeah, it's been a while, and then, it might take for some of us to remember this stuff, recall this stuff, and go about doing these problems. So that finishes our problem. In the next video, I'll try and do some new problems. So hopefully this